Hi guys, I'm here to talk about the fake news menace, an issue that has prevailed for many years and still fails to find a solution. Fake news is the spreading of misinformation through various media platforms in order to get a, an undesired response from people by provoking them in a certain direction. So fake news has been on a rise ever since the advent of media, especially the social media. Um Social media gives people a platform to express their opinion and views without any filters, without any censors. However, it has been used in all the wrong ways to spread fake information, false information. And because of the fact that we fall prey to all these fake information and fake news, is the reason which encourages them to use this fake news as a means to provoke emotions and thoughts in people which might be in the wrong direction. So a main reason behind the spreading of fake news is the lack of awareness that is imbibed in people. The lack of awareness is the reason why we fall prey to fake news in the first place. We do not fact check what is being told to us and consume whatever information is given to us as it is. So it makes it easier for the person who intends to spread fake information to get the responses that he has intended to, all the while by spreading fake news. It has been irresponsible on every citizen's part to accept whatever is being told to them and to consume the fake news without verifying it through sources, through verified sources. Now, not only the fact that fake news is being spread through social media, fake news is being spread through various other platforms as well. Many news agencies, news channels fall prey to fake news as well. They display information that is fake because of the fact that there is so less time to actually censor and to actually go through the information that is and to verify the information that is being sent to them. The shortage of time has led to them giving us the wrong information as well and us believing them, which has been a reason for the spreading of fake information as well. Propaganda journalism that has seen a rise in these years is something that has been a reason for the spreading of fake news as well. In order to promote a certain ideology for propaganda, fake news is being spread as well. But what we can do as citizens, as responsible beings, is to verify whatever is being told to us and not consume everything that is given to us as it is. Whatever information that we receive through any form of media, which can be through news channels, through social media, or through any platform, should be verified, should be went through thoroughly before sharing it, before forwarding it to our relatives, our known people, which is something that we can do on our part to be responsible citizens and take this nation forward together.